Sebastian De Deyne. I work at Spatie. We have built a lot of open source packages over the years, over 200 I think, and I'd like to give some tips on writing and maintaining open source software and staying sane while at it. So first, duplication is fine. If you want to build something that has already been built before, don't be afraid to just do it. Maybe an existing solution only fits part of your use case, or you want to take full ownership over a solution. You don't have to feel bad if you want to build something that already exists. It can also help you grow as a developer. Write documentation first. So writing documentation first has two perks. First of all, if you write your docs, then you're just focusing on the API that you want instead of focusing on the implementation details. Second, if you write your code and then you still need to get started on the docs, it will feel like a chore and you won't really feel like writing them anymore, so the quality will probably be better if you have them done earlier. Implement then package. If possible, write a package based on something that you've already implemented in a project before, because solving a problem and creating a package are kind of two different tasks. So then you're doing two things at the same time. Well, if you already know how to solve the problem, then you'll probably end up creating a better package. Spy on others. If you're about to create a package for a certain ecosystem, first you want to look around, look at other packages, see if there are any code style conventions they use or things for configuration, and try to make your package blend in the ecosystem as good as possible. Don't overcomplicate things. I think this one's the most important of all of them. If you're about to build something, create it for yourself first. Don't make things abstract that don't need to be extended. Don't overcomplicate anything. First, create a package and share it with the world, and then after real feedback from users, then you can start making things extendable or make things more complicated. Tag early. If you have a package that is like at 0.1 version, then it's something that feels unfinished. And if it stays like this for a long time, then it's going to be this nagging feeling in the back of your mind like, oh, this is still something I need to finish. If you tag a stable version as soon as possible, then you can either decide to move on to something else or look forward to create the next version. So it will help motivate you if you stay on stable versions. Don't forget, if something is tagged like V1, doesn't mean it's completely finished. It just means it has to be stable. And you can always increment the version number. Learn to be selfish. If someone sends a PR, like a PR that they spent a lot of time making, or if people ask features that you don't really want to build, it's perfectly okay to say no. If someone spends a lot of time implementing something for your package, they spend a lot of time writing that code, but you're the one who has to maintain it for the rest of the package's lifetime, so you end up with the burden. Lastly, don't be afraid to let go. There are a lot of packages that I've written that I'd like to rewrite or add features to. The thing is, it can be an annoying feeling to wanting to do a lot of things but not finding the time to it. If you ask people to contribute or outsource the work to other people that want to help, then the work will happen and it's more rewarding to see your package grow than actually doing the work yourself. And that was it. Thank you.